அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இந்த வீடியோவில் நாம் 30 முத்தான கேள்விகளை பார்க்க போகிறோம். ரொம்பவே ஈஸியான கொஸ்டின். உங்களுக்கு இந்த கொஸ்டினுக்கான ஆன்சர் தெரிஞ்சதுன்னா கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் உங்களுடைய ஆன்சரை பதிவிடுங்க. இதுக்கான ஆன்சரை நம்ம அடுத்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம். இந்த வீடியோவில் 30 கொஸ்டின் இருக்குது. 30 கொஸ்டினையும் அப்படியே பார்த்துக்கிட்டே வாங்க. விடை தெரிஞ்சதுன்னா அப்படியே நீங்களுடைய விடையும் நீங்கள் நினச்சிங்க அதில் பதிவிடுங்க. ஓகே, கொஸ்டின்ஸ் நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். இப்போ first question, how many signals are obtained for trinitrobenzene in proton NMR spectra? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many signals are obtained for trinitrobenzene in proton NMR spectra? Second question, in depth 90 does carbon gives negative peaks? இந்த கொஸ்டின் வந்துட்டு அட்வான்ஸ்டு NMRல உள்ளது. தெரிஞ்சதுன்னா இதுக்கு நீங்கள் ஆன்சர் பண்ணுங்கள். குவாட்டர்னரி கார்பன் CH, CH2, CH3. Third question, how many peaks are obtained in the mass spectrum of CLF? How many peaks are obtained in the mass spectrum of CLF? Fourth question, the peak with 100% intensity is called molecular ion peak, base peak, isotopic peak, none of these. Fifth question, calciferol is the chemical name of vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin B12, vitamin B4. Sixth question, cholesterol is converted into cholesterol by H2 platinum, NaBH4, LiAlH4, aluminum isopropoxide. Seventh question, protic solvent favors SN1, SN2, SNI, none of these. இந்த கொஸ்டினுக்கான ஆன்சர் தெரிஞ்சதுன்னா உங்களுடைய ஆன்சரை கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் டைப் பண்ணுங்கள். Eighth question, which of the following are not the characteristics of SN1 reaction? Rate depends on concentration of intermediate only. It is a two-step process. It is a one-step process. Carbocation is formed as intermediate. Ninth question, identify the false statement regarding to E1 mechanism. It is a two-step process. Carbocation is formed as intermediate. A poor leaving group increases the rate of the reaction. A leaving base abstracts a proton from the reaction substrate. 10th question. Identify the false statement regarding to E2 mechanism. It occurs in the presence of an acid. The attack of base and elimination of living group takes place simultaneously. Elimination results in the formation of alcohol as product. All the above are correct. 11th question. The sum of electrons on the central metal and the electrons donated by the ligand is called 18 electron rule, EAN rule, 16 electron rule, Lewis octet rule. A metal atom was found between two parallel carbocyclic rings become known as dash compounds: pericyclic, sandwich, enzymes, biocatalyst. The product formed in the hydroformylation is alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, ester. Fourteenth question. The metals present in Ziegler-Natta catalyst are titanium, aluminium, titanium, gold, aluminium, thorium, silver, aluminium. Fifteenth question. TAM symbol is denoted as dash. TAM symbol is denoted as dash. 2L plus 1 JL, 2L plus S JL, 2S plus 1 LJ, 2S plus 1 JL. Nickel 2 complex is dash system. Nickel 2 complex is dash system. D2, D3, D8, D9. Seventeenth question. The halogen which does not form oxyacid is. The halogen which does not form oxyacid is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Eighteenth question. The molecule having square planar structure is. The molecule having square planar structure is XeF2, XeF, XeO3F, XeO2F2. Nineteenth question. Moss-Bayer effect is also related with resonance fluorescence of alpha rays, beta rays, gamma rays, X rays. 20th question. The technique which is called zero-filled NMR is. The technique which is called zero-filled NMR is NQR, ESR, UV, IR. Twenty-first question. A suspension is formed from uniform particles of solid of diameter 10 mm suspended in a solvent. What is the best description of this system? Monodisperse and coarse, monodisperse and colloidal, polydisperse and colloidal, polydisperse and coarse. Twenty-second question. Which one of the following are natural aerosols? Which one of the following are natural aerosols? Fog, geyser steam, forest exudates, all of the above. Twenty-third question. Quantum yields greater than 1 are possible for. Quantum yields greater than 1 are possible for chain reactions, photochemical reactions, both of the above, none of the above. Twenty-fourth question. The slower timescales of the re-emission of phosphorescence are associated with dash transition in quantum mechanics. Forbidden energy state, allowed energy state, delayed energy state, high energy. Fifth question. In the isotactic polymers, all stereogenic centers share the dash configuration. Same, alternate, different, none. Twenty-sixth question. High impact polystyrene consists of a polystyrene backbone with dash grafted chains. Polybutadiene, polystyrene, polyester, polyethylene. Twenty-seventh question. Microwaves are used in rotational spectra, Raman spectra, IR spectra, none. Rotational spectrum is used to determine the dash of the diatomic molecule, bond order, bond angle, bond length, bond strength. Force constant is used in UV spectra, IR spectra and Raman spectra, IR spectra, UV and IR spectra. Last question. To give pure rotational spectra, a molecule should have permanent dipole moment, change in dipole moment, no dipole moment, change in polarizability. இதுக்கான ஆன்சர்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சதுன்னா உங்களுடைய ஆன்சரை கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் நீங்கள் பதிவிடுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.